How to fix File Explorer. Please sign in message in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Restarting File Explorer process can assist in eliminating the please sign in message. Open Start and type File Explorer option. Sometimes, the issue is caused by saved credentials that aren't working properly. You can clear them and re-enter them when necessary. Under Windows Credentials, look for any credentials related to Microsoft or Windows Explorer. Click the arrow next to the credential entry and select Remove. Restart your PC and sign in again.